need to replace this one. Door handle, brand new from eBay. It's like £25 or £20. This is always, that's what happened. See, look like a glue. So now we're going to change it. That's it. Here one screw, and there would be another screw as well. There is another screw. So need to open 1, 2, 3, 4. So now I need to take off this, what they call switch controller. You put it there and let me put back. The only thing I need to close this hole because this mirror doesn't have. Anyway, I noticed before, but it's expensive to order another one. Just don't have this small hole, then cost you like £55, which is, it's no point to pay 55 just for this one. So I will close it, put back there, and done. I mean, not bad. So that's all what I can do. Need to. I need to replace the gearbox. This is BMW 2015 3 Series 320. I've got this engine here, same B47. So the car doesn't have a reverse, or sometime you drive on the neutral and it will go to like a, I don't know, it doesn't even change the gear. So we'll need to change this gearbox. And also I will do same time service as well.